No.
Say no to drugs.
Am I on?
Yeah.
Drugs will get you nowhere in life. There you go.
No. Say no to drugs.
Oh, say no to drugs.
Why?
Because, like, you're not you when you're on drugs.
Are you gonna ask me a question?
Oh, what do you think about drug use in schools?
I think drug use in schools is a really bad thing. It's affecting a lot of schools, I guess, right now at a very high rate, and it's not a good thing to get into, you know? Your brains are growing and they need to mature, and the drugs are just chemicals that mess that up, and they mess with your biology, and you should just be natural. You don't need it.
What do you think about drug use in schools?
Drug use in schools, like, give me a more specific answer.
Like kids using it during school hours?
I don't think it's okay because it affects the work and free time and stuff like that. It's not okay. Even though, like, people use it to enhance their learning abilities, you know, I still think it's unfair. So, yeah.
What do you think about drug use during school?
I think it's like kind of overlooked by like the people around school, like the teachers. They don't really know what's going on. For instance, liquor could be easily hidden as water and stuff like that. And yeah, there's a lot of hiding spots probably, especially for a bigger school. They have like more chance of getting away.
See, go.
Using drugs in school is not a good idea because you're there to learn, and how are you supposed to better your future if all your brain cells are being killed? And plus it's illegal, so you could get arrested on school grounds and expelled from school, and there goes your future just off of a drug charge and being kicked out of school. You won't get any good jobs, not any good jobs, but you'll be least likely to get a nice job, and colleges look at that type of stuff.
What do you say about drugs?
Don't do drugs.
Why?
Because they have bad side effects. They'll lead to worse things like theft and robbery and murder and stuff. You just do a bunch of crazy stuff. So stay in school and don't do drugs.
That's
And
the
we're-
outtake
we're
of
at-
other people on drugs, and ours is don't do drugs.
Drugs are bad, y'all. If you can ruin your life.
Yeah. Stay clean. Don't do drugs.
When we graph, we use linear equations. They even help in real world situations. You have the standard formula y equals mx plus b. M is your slope, your y-intercept is the b. A. And the slope is the rise of a run. So if your slope is 3, you rise up and run 1. Y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. That's the one up and down for those of y'all who were slacking. And if your slope is negative, then to the left your line will lean. But if it's positive, it's lean right, because you're going to see. And if your slope's a whole number, under it lies a 1. But if it is a fraction, then your job is done. So you start out on your y-intercept, and from there you go. With your slope, your rise is on top, and your run is below. And if you don't graph right, then you'll know. Word. I'm out.
Bars, though.